about security, emergency response for all. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the class of Emergency Response Training course. I am the main teacher of this course, Miss Yamming. Safety is the first prerequisite for air travel. Today, we will learn about survival kit that can save lives at a critical time. Survival kit, SK kit for short, on the lifeline on the outside of the inflatable buoy of the lifeboat, one for each boat to store the items necessary for survival after escape. When in use, simply untie the rope to take out the contents of the bag. List of items in the life-saving bag. Tents, 1 canopy assay. It is combined with the brace rod to protect against wind and rain. Tent poles, 8 canopy rods. They are used to support the tent. The two ends are connected to the tent and pontoon respectively by quick snap fasteners. Tent center pole, 1 canopy mast rod. It is installed at the center of the tent to support the tent. Survivor's Guide, Survival Book 1. It teaches survivors how to escape, how to use life-saving equipment, overcome natural risks, and seek food. Third, Detailed Equipment Introduction. There are many items in the survival kit. We can divide them into the following 3 categories to learn. First aid supplies area, first aid kit, 1 first aid kit for the treatment of burns, abrasions, etc. including ammonia inhalant, 1 box. Burn cream, 1 box. Splint, 2 boxes. Bandage, 4 boxes. Triangle bandage, 4 boxes. Once burned, can be disinfected with iodine cotton. Then apply wound cream or burn cream. In severe cases with a bandage. Water package, 6 water package for drinking and treating minor wounds. Make a small slit and drink straight. Seasickness tablet, 1 bottle. 100 tablets per bottle. Take 2 tablets before boarding, 1 tablet every 4 to 6 hours. No more than 6 tablets every 24 hours. Stop taking when sleepy. Survival equipment area, seawater dye, sea dye marker 1 pack. Is used to discolor the sea water around the boat. To signal for help. Use during the day. Use 2 to 3 hours. In case of heavy waves. Can be used for 15 minutes. Usage, open the outer package. Dissolve and permeate the seawater dye around the ship. And the dye emits green fluorescence in the water. Stirring seawater in a static environment. To increase the flow rate to disperse the dye. Green fluorescent dye can remain in water for 2 to 3 hours. Note that only 1 dye bag is used at a time. Seawater flashlight, flashlight 1. For lighting and guiding rescue personnel. Usage, open the cover. Fill with seawater or salt water. And then cover it, it will be glow. Note, when the light weakens, you can continue to add seawater or salt water. And continue to use. Repair clamp 1. Used to repair the holes on the ship. Usage, loosen the screw cap. And separate the clamp. Insert the hand into the cloth loop on the cord. Insert the seal cover into the hole in the boat. Place another iron cover on the seal cover. Tighten the screw caps. Water purification tablet, 1 bottle water purification tablet. To purify fresh water. 50 tablets per bottle. Toxic, when taken directly. 2 water purification tablets. Can purify 1 quart/1 liter of water. Put the water purification tablets into the water bottle to be purified. And 5 minutes later, shake the water bottle evenly. Cover tightly. And let stand for 30 minutes before drinking. Store effectively until dry, ventilated and cool place. Also features, sponge, 1 piece. Bucket, 1 bailing bucket. Spare cord, 6 shard chaser, compass and match. Fishing tools, fishing kit 1. Communication and information equipment, signal tubes, 2 day per night signal flares. It is a device that sends an emergency signal to the outside world and is used for 20 to 30 seconds. It can be used in 2 ways. For daytime use, orange end is smooth, 4 to 6 kilometers visible. For night use, the red end is uneven, emitting a red light. 15 to 18 kilometers visible. Usage, open the outer cover. Pull up the D-ring to open the seal cover. Start to smoke or fire. Problems that should be noted when using. It is best to wear gloves when operating. For use outside the ship. Pull the D-ring hard and fast, on the lower side of the wind, with the horizontal direction upward. At a 45-degree angle, after one end is used up, dip it with water and keep it. The other end can continue to use. 1 signal mirror. By reflecting sunlight and moonlight, it sends out a distress signal. It is a metal or mirrored square disc, with a viewing hole in the middle, which is used to reflect sunlight and moonlight, and send a distress signal to the outside world. Usage: point your eyes at the viewing hole, look for the bright spot, and then adjust the mirror, so that the bright spot is aligned with the object, so that the bright spot and the object overlap. In the center of the viewing hole. Note: do not use the mirror towards the approaching aircraft, hang the mirror around your neck. To prevent it from falling, the reflection distance is more than 14 kilometers. Safety light 4. Used to mark the position of the ship. The color is emerald green, non-toxic. When using, bend it from the middle. Be careful not to break it. Shake it hard, and tie it to the rope on the outside of the boat. The use time is 12 hours. Whether it is first aid, survival equipment, or communication and information equipment, the survival kit provides us with valuable life support in an emergency. Please remember the contents of today's study, and keep on paying attention to and learning aviation safety, and jointly create a more safe and comfortable flying environment. Okay, that's it for this class. I'm Ms. Yamming. See you next class.